Hey guys, I'm out here at Southern Honda Powersports in Eastridge, Tennessee for Goldwings and Glizzies. I came in the day before. I wanted to come out and take a look at the place, see what they got here. Let's go in and take a look. Well, the first thing you notice, they've got a lot of the side-by-sides out here when you come in. But once you come in, you'll start seeing some Goldwings, and that's what tomorrow is all about. March 29th here in Eastridge, Tennessee. Look at that. There's the 2025 Gold Honda Goldwing, and they have got it tricked out. Let me tell you, it has got every accessory you can pile on a Goldwing, I think. All the little chrome bits, the lighted brake rotors. They've got the chrome little windshield trim, chrome garniture, the eyebrow lights, that's what I call them. And this thing is decked out, and I think it's already sold. It's got a custom seat, probably from Ultimate Seats. It's got the little 50 logo stitched in, very cool. Got a cup holder, this thing's got everything. Now, I haven't decided still if I'm a fan of the gold. I don't know. But man, I'll tell you what, they have got it chromed out. I know one thing, there are a lot of people that love this gold and brown color combination. It's kind of a throwback to the old Aspencade, you might say, from the 80s. Okay, so here is the new Cabernet Red. I kind of like it. It has a little bit of a purplish look to it. But I do kind of like the looks of it. I think it's kind of cool looking. It's a kind of a plum color, I would say. The only thing I'll critique it later. I did notice this entire piece down here on the saddlebag. This whole piece is a decal. The whole thing's a sticker, which I thought was interesting. And the same for this. This entire piece up here on the saddlebag is a sticker. And I'm not sure, it looks like they may have clear coated over it, because I was just wondering if you could actually take that sticker off of there. But I think they shot clear over the sticker, so I don't know that you could just remove it. So anyway, I do like the gold accents on the engine. I kind of think that's neat. And this is a bike that they're going to loan me to use tonight. I'm thinking about going out and doing some riding, but I might just head back to the hotel. It looks very familiar to me. I shouldn't have any trouble figuring it out. It looks just like my bike. Okay, so that's where I'll be tomorrow, March 29th from 11 to 3 right here at Southern Honda Powersports in Eastridge, Tennessee. Make sure you come out. If you're in the area, ride your bike. It's a beautiful day today. I suspect the weather will be nice tomorrow. Perfect day for riding. Come out, have a hot dog, and maybe you'll ride home in a brand new Goldwing. We'll see. They're going to do demo rides on that 2025, so make sure you come out, check it out, and I'll see you then.